So guys, andito na tayo sa taas. Ayun, doon tayo pupunta. At tapos, bababa na tayo. Yun ang last destination natin, yung sa lift na yan. Yan. Tignan niyo guys. Well, nandito na tayo sa taas. Tignan niyo yung view dito. So, pupuntahan natin dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Doon tayo lalakad. Pakita ko sa inyo yung snow. So, ayun. Tignan niyo yung ingay-ingay ng ano natin. Yung lakad natin. So, andito na tayo sa taas. So, we are happy. We reach on the top of the mountain. And this is the view here. Ayan, lakad tayo doon. Ayan. At tapos magla-live tayo doon para ipakita ko sa inyo yung buong view ng mountain ng Pradley. Tignan ninyo guys, ang kapal ng snow. Yan, doon kulang na kasi namemelt na siya. Ayan. So continue tayo dito, ipakita ko sa inyo yung view ng buong mountain. Dito makikita natin ang buong view. Ayan. Ayan, makikita natin dito yung buong view ng mountain. So, ayan siya guys. Mga bahay. Makikita natin dito. Ayan. So, ito yung village ng makikita natin dito yung buong view. So, magla-live din tayo dito. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Yun, ang ingay ng shoes na to. Yan ang ginagamit ng lift. Tapos pagdating sa mountain, tatalon sila with their ski at mag-ski sila pababa. Yan. So ito yung view natin. Napagod ako guys. Kasi paakyat, nakakapagod. Tapos malamig. Ito yung view. Ayan. Yan ang mga bahay. Guys, super nakakapagod pag maglakad ng sa snow, makapal na snow, tapos papunta ng bundok, sa taas ng bundok. Nakakapagod siya. So ayun guys, nasa taas na tayo. So ipapakita ko sa inyo for one more time ang view dito sa taas. Ang snow is fresh na fresh siya. Tapos yan ang village. Diyan tayo kanina sa baba. Tignan ninyo, i-zoom in ko. Diyan tayo kanina. Kunan natin ng picture kasi maganda yung view dito. Diyan tayo kanina sa baba. And now, nandito na tayo sa taas. Tingnan niyo yung yung roof ng house. Tingnan niyo, lubog na siya sa snow. Yan. Ganito, picturean natin dito. Yan siya. So ayun, na-reach na natin ang top ng mountain. Hanggang dito yung pinakamataas. Tapos bababa na naman tayo mamaya. Yan. Ayan, may mga tao din naglalakad gaya natin. Yan yung bahay. Maglalakad sila. Maliit masyado pag nasa malayo talaga sila. Alas hindi na natin makita pag malayo talaga. See? Pag i-zoom natin, makikita natin. Yan. Yan guys. Yun. Yun, hindi tayo lugi guys. Kahit napapagod tayo, at least maganda yung view. At enjoy tayo, diba? Yun, mega shoutout sa aking pamangkin na si Ayesha Jumaani, Aza Jumaani, Zia Jumaani, and Jocelyn Jumaani. Sa sister ko na si Jocelyn Jumaani, mega shoutout sa inyong lahat. Miss you. Yan. So punta na tayo, doon na tayo. So guys, tingnan ninyo. Gaano ka-clear dito. Yan. Yan. Yan ang last station ng ng cable car. And then yan. So, makikita natin ang view dito. Super nice. Yan. Ang ganda. Yan ang village ng Prakaduli. Diyan tayo kanina sa baba. Ganda. Yan ang village niya. So, dito tayo sa mountain. Dito na tayo sa taas. Yan. So, akit na tayo. So, ayun. Hanggang dito na lang guys. So, bye-bye. Continue tayo doon. So guys, we reached our destination. We are on top of the mountain of Prakaduli. And this is the end part of the mountain. And you can see the view here. Makikita natin ang view dito. Tingnan ninyo. Tadaan! Nice. Yan. Nice masyado. Sobrang ganda ng view. What more na pag winter season na guys. Yan, hindi pa siya winter season. Ano pa lang, end of autumn pa lang, mag-end pa lang ng autumn. Kasi 21st of December pa ang officially winter. Pero kahit November pa, kahit autumn pa lang, madami ng snow. So ayun, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung view dito. Sharing you my experience here. Andito tayo sa Prakaduli, Summer Prakaduli. Yan. Ano siya, blurred? Bakit yan blurred? Yan. Sige, hanggang doon. So guys, andito na tayo sa taas. Dito sa last destination natin. Dito yan sa Prakaduli, dito sa mountain ng Suwon, France. So ayun, nakikita natin ang view dito. Tingnan niyo yung mountain. Ayan. So dito guys, normally dito guys, hindi pa siya officially winter. Hindi ako komportable, ganito na lang. Hindi pa siya officially winter. Ang officially winter dito is 21st of December. Pero kahit hindi pa siya officially winter, dito makikita natin madami ng snow. Pag sa taas ka ng bundok, either sa France, Switzerland, Italy, Germany, lahat ng European countries, early November pa lang or end of November, meron na siyang madaming snow. So yan, makikita natin dito. Yung pinapakita ko sa inyo, hindi pa siya officially na winter. Ang officially winter dito is December 21st. So ngayon, Punta na tayo. Gamitin natin to kasi sobrang lamig sa taas. Ayan. Tignan ninyo. Tignan ninyo guys. Yan. Ang super nice view. Ayan siya. Ayan ang name ng mountain na to, Pradley. Yung Pradley is ganyan, P-A-R-A-Z-D-E-L-Y-S. Yan ang name ng mountain na to, Pradley. So, ano na, punta na tayo, continue na tayo maglakad doon. So guys, we are here on top of the mountain. I'm very tired. Look guys, how beautiful the view here from up going down. You can see. Yeah. Here. Guys, tignan ninyo gaano kaganda yung view. Super nice. Yeah. Picture na lang tayo ganito. So finally guys, we are here on top of the mountain. This is the last destination that we are going to. And here, you can see the view. It's so tiring here. Ooh. There you can see the people are walking going up. So beautiful.
These people are more sporty than you. You're lazy.
Yes, I know.
Heard everything.
Yes.
Everything. The mountain is very clean. I will tell
Smile!
I will tell the people that you greeted how many times. That's why Marlene and Ira, they're waiting for you a long time.
Yeah, they're waiting for us.
Yeah, but because of you, not because of me, no?
Okay.
So that's the ski of the Randonnée. It's like watching ski. Then after they all ski down.
Yeah.
But I cannot bring you to a sport like this because you are.
Okay, it's already ready. And you are heavy. Be careful.
Oui, c'est bon.
So guys, we are here on top of the mountain and this is the last destination that we are going to walk and camp and let's see a video. So the mountain, you can see the view here. You can see it's nice. Still here and there.
C'est déjà fait.
And then I'm going to walk there in the side and then you can camp here.
Bon. Ah oui, je sais quoi.
Then I'm going down from here. From here.
He's a bit afraid. Ah, you're afraid?
You got the view here.
Oui, oui, on a vu, hein, c'est bon. I will give you back your phone because otherwise people, they will be bored because it's too long.
Let's wait. Hey guys, come here.
No.
You're here. Okay, come.
Ils sont fatigués déjà de t'attendre.
Okay, come. I will go up.
Okay, let's see who will come. And then we can also put some snow on Junior if you want. How's the snow? How's the snow?
Yes. So guys, we are going down now because someone is waiting for us. We are done. And then I'm going to explain my sister why we are very long. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, look guys. So guys, we are going back home.
Tu l'as déjà dit 3 fois. Allez, c'est parti.
So this is it. The last walk here and then we're going back home. Let's go. The snow here is so hard. Uwi na tayo. Bye bye. Ayan. From here.
We cut shortcut.
Shortcut? Okay. Ayan. Sige tayo. Tapos yun ang view dito sa baba. Tignan natin. Dito tayo dadaan. Shortcut tayo. Ha? C'est comme ça?
Oui, c'est comme ça. T'inquiète pas, but you need to range